Hi, this is Val with Living Divine. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Please feel free to follow me on my journey here on YouTube, or feel free to follow me on Instagram at Living Divine, Livin _divine, no G, or at Living Divine Locs and Fitness on Facebook. So, I just did this twist out. I've never done a twist out. I usually do braid outs, and I did a twist out on damp hair. You guys, look at this twist out. I am telling you, I'm getting all kinds of vibes with this thing. I'm feeling some Vogue vibes. I even had to put on some makeup. I actually have a video of what I did to get the twist out, but as I was taking it down, I was actually a little disappointed because it was a little loose. But once I start fluffing this up, I was like, hold up, wait a minute. So I'm just feeling this thing. And the wonderful thing about this twist out is that usually my braid outs, I might be under the dryer, and I do my braid outs wet, or I've done my braid outs wet, but I might be under the dryer 2 hours. I do a bunny dryer. I'll have a picture of that in this video. And my hair, if it's still not dry, I'll just go to sleep with the bonnet on for maybe, an hour or so till I can't take it, and then I get from under there. And there have been times like the next morning that my hair was not completely dry. And to me, that's the downfall of Locs. But I washed my hair yesterday and I dried it. And to me, it looked kind of simple. I didn't want to do a braid out. So I was like, you know what, I'll try a twist out. I don't do styles. So, yeah, I can't help you with that. But I can help you with braid outs, twist outs, how to take care of locks, things of that nature. But I'm telling you, I am feeling this. Look at how full this is. I'm like, I need to go somewhere. My husband's out of town, but I need to go somewhere and let somebody see this. And, since he's out of town, I decided to jump on YouTube and just go ahead and do this video because this is cute. I'm loving this. Might be my new go-to instead of the really curly braid outs. But anyway, I'm gonna turn around. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description box. I'm gonna actually probably do a second video today just because, I think I'm cute and I can't, ruin, waste this makeup and this good twist out because I'm kind of hair lazy. I've said that before. So anyway, I'm going to turn around so you can get a 360. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. This was the easiest hairstyle I've ever done and the quickest. I finished the whole thing, I want to say in 2 hours for the whole process, from spraying it and twisting it, getting on the hairdryer, untwisting it, and fluffing it out. And look at all that volume. Oh my, I'm telling you, this is my new to-go style. Yeah, wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I know I'm just feeling myself right now. I'm about to do a turnaround. If you have any questions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. All right. Hey, you guys. So I've never done a twist out with my locks. So I'm going to try to do one today. This is, I washed my hair yesterday and dried it. So I'm going to do a twist out. I'm going to spray it with water, but I'm going to do a twist out on already clean hair, but I won't do it wet. It'll be damp because I'm going to spray it with water. And then I'm going to take you guys along for the final reveal. So hopefully it turns out well. I've always done braid outs, so it's going to be interesting to see how it looks. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, this might be a trial and error, but I'm going to try anyway and see. I've never, with Loose Natural, had a lot of luck with twist outs. Usually braid outs give me a better look. I want to see if I can get like that spiral curl look, as braid outs give me more of a crinkle. So let's see what happens. But regardless, you always got to try something new or try something different every now and then. I'm not big on styling my locks, but I just wanted to try this because I saw a really nice set of locks from a twist out. So let's see.
So here I am dividing my hair in 4 sections. When I'm working with my hair, it's just easier to work with 4 sections because of the thickness of it. And then I go back in and divide the first section. I'm not sure how many locks per twist I used. I just kind of did a grab and go in reference to my twists. And what's in the spray bottle is just water. I made sure it was kind of damp and, squeeze the water through the locks to make sure it was kind of damp. I will say that the next time I try this style, and I will try it again because I actually like the outcome. I would just like it a little tighter, that I probably will do it fresh after a wash when my hair is soaking wet. But even though I wanted some wave in my hair, I just didn't want to spend all day waiting for my hair to dry, or several hours under the dryer. So I just used water and sprayed it, and I'm going to just show you me doing this side, and then I'll come back when I finish in reference to my hair. I did about for each little section, there's probably about 6 twists per section in the 4 sections. So I had about 24 twists in my whole head. And again, the hair, like I said, is not soaking wet, but it is damp. So it could dry relatively quickly because I actually had some other stuff to do the day.
Okay, so I'm back. I just finished my twist out. I'm going to turn around and let you guys see it. Then I'm going to sit on the dryer, and I will be back for the takedown. So I think I actually twisted this side tighter than this side. Well, I know I did, but I'm not redoing it. So hopefully it'll turn out well, but here it is. I'm not sure how many twists I have on my head, but okay, so I will say this, doing the twist was a whole lot faster than doing the braids. So hopefully it will turn out well, and then I'll have a new hairstyle. But if not, at least I tried. I'll be back.
So now I'm under the bonnet dryer. It took me about an hour. And here's the finish. My hair is dry, and I'm actually taking down my twist. And I'm doing this fast because, of course, it'll take forever. But the curls are just waves, actually. So they're not super curly. And if I don't look happy, it's because I was a little disappointed when I first started taking my hair down. I don't know what I thought. I just thought it would be a little curlier than that.
So I've finally taken all of the twists out. It's much like I thought. It's loose wave. I'm going to fluff it up. I haven't fluffed it, but I did want to come back and let you guys see this. It's a loose wave. Even though I didn't want it super tight, I wanted it a little tighter than this. So who knows how long this will last. But I at least wanted to show you this. Now I'm about to fluff it out, and I will be back with pictures to let you see what it looks like. And I'll be back with a quick video or to let you see what it looks like fluffed out.
So I'm fluffing out my twist, and obviously I left one in. But anyway, I have to make sure that they're separated at the roots. So you'll see a lot of picking and fluffing. Because I want to make sure they're not connected as well. And I like the bigger hair. One of the reasons I maintain my locks the way I do is because I actually do like the fluffiness of my locks, and the fact that it can look full and really look like almost like a loose natural twist out or braid out. So I'm continuing to kind of play with my hair, giving you like a 360, you know, kind of feeling to make sure there's total separation of my hair. And just, I'm starting to feel a little vibe with this. I was a little disappointed when I first took the twist out because they were so loose, and I'm pretty sure they won't last super long. But I'm starting to kind of feel this. I'm getting ready to go and put some makeup on. I'm kind of feeling these waves a little bit. So I'll continue to fluff my hair to make it fuller, because the more I fluff, the fuller it gets. So I'll continue to play with it a little bit, and I'll put a little makeup on and show you the end results, and I will be back with a picture with a little bit of makeup and that hair fluffed out, because I'm kind of liking this look. This is definitely something I would do again, but I definitely would probably do it wet as opposed to damp, so the curls could be just a little bit tighter. Not extremely tight, but a little bit tighter. But regardless, I actually do love the look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know.